Hello everybody, welcome back to Queenie of London and welcome to Vlogmas day 17. It's getting close, guys. It's Saturday and I am here at the London Transport Museum's very special shop. I'm going to take you inside with me, guys, show you what they've got on offer, and I hope you enjoy. First of all though, let's go and look at that tree, shall we? Because I can spy some really special London transport decorations. Look at the size of that roundel up there. I'd love that on my tree. Look. That's a good tree, London Transport Museum shop. I'm very impressed. And it's dazzling. Look, they've made a good effort. Okay guys, let's go in. So this is the shop of the gorgeous London Transport Museum, and I am always ordering off their website at Christmas. We're going to have a little dig around in here today. It's one of my favourite museums in London, and in the new year I might take you for a little tour. You can get loads in here. It's amazing. Look at all these pins. If you are a transport enthusiast, this is a pretty fun place to be. I have one of these. They are very cool. Look at all this. Look at the wrap. Wow. We've got books. This one's good. Oh, I like this idea. This one's nice. Untold London. Oh my god, who remembers that? I do. Fancy socks. And you can get loads of art prints because the Underground's famous for its art. I've got a couple in my haul, but I'm trying to build my collection. So I thought I would look and see if they had any new ones. I'm kind of after one for the boat race, because I always love the boat race. This is all the merch for the new Elizabeth line. You can even get cushion covers of the moquette. Is that what it's called? I actually really like the design of the Elizabeth line seats and all the purple. Look! That's vintage, isn't it? And we've got some festive stuff. We've got a London Underground Christmas jumper, a little hat, some socks. Oh wow, look at these. Oh, I like the bus one. Might just head back to that nice little Christmas display at the beginning. Oh, you can have these. Look. Aren't these lovely? Oh, I like this one. Hang on. Should I get one? Don't all shout at me. I'm bad for baubles, aren't I, guys? I wonder if there's a purple roundel. Oh, I love this one. Oh, this reminds me of being little. I remember that design. Also, it was on buses. Does anybody else remember it on buses? Like in the suburbs. Seats of London. Yes. My dad might like that. Or like the bag. Look, you can actually have a chair. I would have that. Wow. There's loads. And as you can see, there's a canteen up there. They always do really nice soups, actually. I remember coming here and having a gorgeous soup one time. Now. Oh gosh, where can I wiggle? seeing as it's Saturday, guys, when you're watching this. I thought this would be a fun little video to do, because you know I love to shop on a Saturday. I don't think I'm coming out of here empty-handed today. Seeing a few ideas already. London Underground Monopoly. So many Monopolies now, isn't there? You can get it for everything. Are they PJs? Wow. The artwork for the Routemaster blueprint range is based on the 1960 Routemaster bus drawings conserved in London Transport Museum's Acton Depot. And you see that a lot, don't you, if you watch the Secrets of the London Underground. Like this one. There's my art over there. It's gone quieter over there now. Let's have a little look. The West End is Awakening by Tram from Hammersmith. I got stuck in Hammersmith yesterday, so less said about that the better. The Tate Gallery. That's arty. I remember that. The paint tube. Oh, look at that one. Wow. You can order these online. And they come really well packaged. I must admit, I quite like these smaller ones as well. The ones I've got are like big. I love like a vintage tube map. I like seeing what's been added and what's changed. Brightest London is best reached by Underground. I absolutely love that one where they're all rushing down the steps. The name escapes me, but it's very orange heavy. And it's called The Lure of the Underground. I was so obsessed with that one time. I had a shower curtain of it and everything. I love anything with London Zoo. Oh, there's the boat race, 1923. That's a good one. Putney Bridge, Hammersmith and Chiswick Park. Isn't that lovely? I like that one, but I want it bigger. Is that a boat race one? Is that? That's winter fun. Look, Chelsea Flower Show. See why I love these guys? I think they're awesome. I'll just come back here a second. So many gifts. What are these? Race of the Rails, London Underground race game. What's this one? Murder on the Underground. That sounds fun. It's a fun game to play. If you like your whodunits and stuff, like Cluedo. Connecting London. You've got like puzzles and stuff. Paddington, my friends. Are these little they're toys with little buttons? Look at Paddington stuff. Oh, look at that. Isn't that darlingish? What's this? Sightseeing Adventures of Paddington. Oh, so lovely. See how much there is? There's all postcards, like little versions of the art prints over there. Show you those as well, and magnets. Sorry if that light's making the camera go a bit funny, guys, but at least I'm inside today and it's bright. You can pretty much get bigger ones of all of these, and you've got some from like inside the museum. Oh look, it's done to look like a tube tunnel. These are all for like little ones. I'm just gonna go around here and look at the back here. Isn't that lovely how they've done that? How nice. Have we got more stuff upstairs? We must have, as well as the cafe. I love all the cushions. Little ones here. Look at this. How stinking cute. What does it say? Future engineer. Ooh. Cute. Upstairs, guys. So you've got some incredible stuff on the walls. This is the cafe. Look, it's done like this. Isn't this amazing? Oh, like you're on a train. Incredible. The theming, guys. Here's a view from above. And here's small bits. These are more like your overgroundy stuff. Books. What's that one? Oh wow. It's an encyclopedia of every station. Might be fun to have. Hidden London. It's my thing. Look at this one, like that. Aldwych branch. London that never happened. I'm just going to go around this bit and then I'll take you to posters so I can have a little look. These are new, it says. And we've got these ones. Disused underground stations. My dad would love that one. Love that photo. See how much they offer, it's quite amazing. Great Houses of London, good book. Abandoned train stations, love all this. Got some more smaller ones here. 3 for 2. Look at that. Murder at the National Gallery. So you've got some London themed fiction. Why can't I speak on a Friday? It's Friday when I'm filming this, when I nipped to Covent Garden. So if you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, I will link that for you now. I do love taking you around the shops, guys, so I'm not talking to myself. Look at all of these, there's so much to look at. Right, here we go. Shop our poster collection. So you do it, choose a poster, note down the reference number and take the number to the poster counter. I'll just give you a few examples. You can do that online and you can also get them framed. See, aren't they striking? Because there's been some amazing artwork on the London Underground over the years. Look at that one. I just think they're like bits of history. I always like watching the Secrets of the London Underground programme where they're like renovating the stations and they peel back layers and layers of posters, like layers and layers of history of advertising and stuff like that, celebrating the fabric of London. Isn't that clever? So look at, I love that one. There's my boat race one. I wonder if it does come any bigger. I really like that.
Jacob, I thought you would be interested in these.
Like deco. Yeah. Love that. I want that one. Oh my gosh. I want to weigh out in the gorgeous marble. Got that in like yellow in Covent Garden. I love that one. Have that by the front door in the hall. Oh. Look at this. There you go, Wimbledon tennis. Gives you an idea, guys, doesn't it? as well. That was clever. Move that one out on the camera. These ones are a bit more like abstract. Oh, look at that one. Strand. Oh, that one's beautiful. I love the colouring. So many to choose from. You could literally have them on every single wall of your house. And just have a little quick flick through this middle one. Oh, yes, winter one. Yeah, so you can get bigger ones of the ones we saw downstairs, which is great. Oh, look. After the pandemic. No. Love that. London's icons. There's just too many to choose from. I'll get you out of there now in case you get a bit dizzy. Look at that St Pancras one. Look, so you have a little look down here from above. And there's an entrance on Wellington Street if you're in the area. But I always like using the main piazza entrance. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little look at the London Transport Museum's amazing shop. Love coming here. Like I say, there's brilliant ideas for gifts, not just for Christmas, but also for birthdays and stuff, if you've got anybody in your family that's a bit of an enthusiast. Or you just want something to commemorate your trip to London. Great website to look through, and a fantastic place to come and visit, so well themed. I mean, look over there. I'm going to go, head out and continue my video for you guys for Vlogmas Day 16. Until tomorrow, I wish you all love from London, Queenie.